if I take I equals to 1, j equals to 1. Now I want to write I equals to 1 and j equals to 1. I less than 5, guys, and j less than 10. Now I have written I less than 5 and j less than 10. Now I plus plus I have written I plus plus and j plus plus I have written I plus plus and j plus plus. Print I and j values. Printf percentile print I and j. Yeah, guys, write this program and write the output.
Six and six.
6 and 6. Good. Sudvi and Ikshwak. Hi Nikita, Dolika, Aravind. Hmm?
Five and
Iron
five, five.
5 and 5. Why? Which condition it takes? Ikshwak or Aravind? Lakshmi.
So it's 10 and 10.
10 and 10.
Yes, sir. Because it takes j less than 10 condition.
Very good. It takes this condition, right? Are you following, guys? See here, it takes j less than 10. It takes j less than 10. Why? Because comma operator here, comma operator takes right side value. Comma operator takes right side value. Okay, then how many times this loop will execute? J less than 10. J is 1. J less than time means 9 times this loop will execute. 9 times. 9 times I plus plus, 9 times J plus plus. Alright, I value is 1, J value is 1. 9 times after incrementing I value 9 times. After incrementing J value 9 times, 10 and 10 is the output. Once check the output, see the output of I and J values. 10 and 10. Clear, guys? Okay, if I write the same condition like this, I less than 10, I less than 10 and j less than 5. I less than 10 and j less than 5. Now which condition it executes first? I less than 5, j less than 10. Right? Now right condition it takes, j less than 5. Now what is the output now? 515 is the output. See the guys? The output 515. Are you following what I'm discussing, right? Comma operator takes right side value. Okay, guys. Now, if I write instead of comma, I have given AND operator. Now, tell me, guys, what is the output? If I give AND operator,
Five and five.
I want
5 and
5
5.
and good 515. Why? Because it has to accept both values. Both conditions should satisfy. First I is 1, j is 1, I less than 10. Yes, correct it is. J less than 1. It is correct. Then I plus plus j plus plus. 2 and 2. 2 less than 10. 2, 2 less than 5. 3 and 3. 3 less than 10. 3 less than 5. 4 and 4. 4 less than 10. 4 less than 5. Yes, correct. Right? 5 and 5. 5 less than 10. This is correct. But 5 less than 5. 5 less than false. It comes outside. Then value is 5 and 5. The value is 5 and 5. Clear, understood, right? How to take these values. Okay. Now we write some programs on interview in technical round. What type of question they will ask? Okay. Now whatever I am discussing now, their questions are important. Interview technical round point of view, face to face. These all are MCQs based questions. Okay. Next I want to discuss, guys. Write next program. Accept a number from the user. Accept a number from the user. Accept a number from the user. Find out number of digits. Find out number of digits in the given number. Accept a number from the user. Accept number from the user. Find out number of digits. We have to read a number. We have to read a number. We have to find out how many digits are there in the given number. How many digits are there in the given number? See, guys, how to read a number. How to read a number? See, int n equals to 123 or n value we have to read. Yes, right? Accept a number from the user, find out number of digits in the given number. N value I have taken, nd also I want to take. Nd is what? Number of digits. Nd I want to take number of digits. Okay. Now my question is what? Read a number from the user. I want to read a number. Okay. How to take a number? You know this. Printf, enter a number. How to enter a number? Enter a number. Okay, scanf. What is scanf? Percentile the address of n. We have to read a number, right? That is 123 or some number I entered. Okay, if I enter the number, how to read that number? How to find out number of digits? See, how to find out number of digits? See, what is the logic? What is the logic? Take any number. Take any number. Example, I want to take. If I take 123 or any number, if I take 123, that 123 value divide with the 10. 123 divide with 10. Okay, how many times it executes? See, first 10 times 10 value I want to execute 12 times, right? If I uh, execute this 120, 10 12s are 120. What is the remainder? We'll get 1. Remainder is 3 will get. This is remainder, this is quotient. First time. Okay, how many times this value is divisible by 10? That is the number of digits it has. Okay, how many times it will be divisible? 123 by 10, first remainder. After that, we get some quotient value. Again, divide quotient value. How to divide quotient value? 12 by 10. Okay, 12 by 10. How to do 12 by 10? See. Okay, how many times? One time. Again, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? 10. Okay. Okay, what is the remainder value? Remainder value is 2. Remainder value is 2. Now, again, what is the next value? What is the quotient value? 1. Again, divide one value again by 10. 1 by 10. Now, I want to do 1 by 10. How many times it takes? How many times it takes? 0 times. If we take 0 time, we will get remainder is again 1. Until you have to get, if I get up to 0, you have to get 0 up to 0. Do this process. Divide by 10. Okay, till you are getting a 0. Okay, if quotient is 0, stop this. How many times it is doing? 1 2 3. That is that many number of digits it has. Okay, see how to do this, that process. While of n, now I want to write n not equals to 0. Okay, I want to write n not equals to 0. Okay, here I am writing n not equals to 0. Okay, divide by n. Okay, how to divide by n? 10. N equals to n by 10. I want to do n equals to n by 10. Okay, what will happen? It divides this value. Okay, nd plus plus. How many times it will do? Nd plus plus I will do. Okay, 3 times it will do that process. Print the nd value. Now I want to do printf number of digits. I want to print number of digits. Okay, what are the number of digits? Percentile d, and print nd. Percentile d nd. Are you following, guys? What is the logic? What is the logic? Execute now. Run once. Enter a number of digits 1 2 3. Now number of digits is 3. Okay, enter 1 2 3 4. Now I want to enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what are the number of digits? What are the number of digits? 4. Okay, if I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of digits is 5. Okay, if I enter more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now I want to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now it shows some value. Why it is showing 4? Why it is showing 5? 4. It's not a integer. Up to what is the integer range? You know that integer range. It accepts up to 32,767 only. Okay, if you enter more than 32,760, it won't work. Clear? Understood? You understood, right? How to do that program? This. Okay. Next program you can do this. Write this program first. This is what? Accept a number from the user. Find out number of digits. Find out number of digits. Write this program. In technical round, face-to-face interview, they will ask this type of programs. Okay. Find out number of digits. We will discuss many programs, this type of program. First write this. Yeah, guys. Next program. After that, write next program. Sum of digits we have to find out. Sum of digits. Sum of digits. Finished this program, guys. Sum of digits means what? Sum of digits. See, guys, here 1, 2, 3. What are the 1, 2, 3 here? 3 is a remainder, 2 is a remainder, 1 is a remainder. These are reminders. Sum of digits is nothing but a sum of reminders. Are you following, guys? Sum of digits is nothing but sum of reminders. Here, what you have to write? What you have to write? Take the sum of reminders. R equals to find out remainder n percentile 10. That is the remainder I will take. R equals to n percentile 10. If I take n percentile 10, remainder will get what is sum value add to sum. How to do this? Sum equals to sum plus r. Sum equals to sum plus r you have to write. Sum equals to sum plus r. Okay, if I write sum equals to sum plus r, how it executes? Here instead of ending, take sum. Sum equals to 0 and remainder also is required. Remainder also is required. Okay, how this loop will execute, I will tell you. How this loop will execute, I will tell you. See, first what is r value? Okay, see guys, how it works. First, 123 percentile 10. 123 percentile 10. What is 123 percentile 10? First 123 percentile 10. Reminder, what it takes? 123 percentile 10, 12 times it is. 12 times. Okay, 120 it is. Remainder is what? Remainder is what? 3. Now it takes r value first to 3. Sum equals to sum plus r. First we have taken sum is 0. 0 plus 3. First 0 plus 3 is how much? 0 plus 3 is 3. First it takes 3. Okay, n equals to n by 10. What is n by 10? 12 it is. 12 it is, right? Now it takes 12. Okay, again where it will go? Again it comes here and it executes this. N not equals to 0. What is n not equals to 0? 12 not equals to 0. Now again n percentile 10. 12 by 10. Now again 12 by 10 it takes. 12 by 10. How many times? One time it takes. Remainder is what? Remainder is what? 2 it is. Remainder is what? 2. Yeah. Next what it takes? Now remainder is 2. Okay, sum equals to sum plus r. Next statement. Now remainder is 2. Now remainder is 2. Sum equals to sum plus r. What is sum is 3 is there. Now 3 plus 2 it takes. Now 3 plus 2, it's a 5 it is. Now 3 plus 2, it's a 5. Okay, again, what is the n equals to n by 10? Now it's a 1. Okay, 1 not equals to 0. 1 not equals to 0. Again comes here. Now r equals to n percentile 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10. What is the answer? If I take 1 by 10, now how many times it takes? 0 times it takes. 0 times. Remainder is 1 now. Remainder is 1. Okay, now sum equals to sum plus r. Already sum is 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 plus 1 it takes. 3 plus 2 plus 1. N equals to n by 10. Quotient is what? 0. Now 0 not equals to 0. False. Now sum of digits is yes, some value you have to print. What is sum is 3 plus 2 plus 1, it's a 6. Okay. See guys, now instead of here what you have to write? Not number of digits, sum of digits you have to write. Sum you have to write instead of number of digits. Take sum of digits. Okay, once execute this. 1 2 3. See this, sum of digits is 6. Clear guys? Are you following this? How to do this? Okay na Arvind? Arvind, okay?
Yes, sir.
Tolika,
Yes, sir.
is it okay? Next program, write first. Finish this. First write this. Sum of digits in the given number. Total all programs one kind of. Or once explain the previous one. Number of digits. Lohit. Yeah, Lohit. Okay, number of digits, how it works. Number of digits. Okay, I will explain number of digits once again. Here I have written the code like this, right? See, while of n not equals to 0. Number of digits I will explain once. While of n not equals to 0. Here we have taken n equals to n by 10. N equals to n by 10. Here what you have written nd plus plus. First nd value you have taken 0. First nd value you have taken 0. This is the code I have written, right? See how it executes. Lohit, see Lohit. First where it goes? First it goes here, right? N not equals to 0. First while condition it goes. It goes here, right? N not equals to 0. Right? Lohit. N not equals to 0. N is how much? First 123. 123 is not equals to 0. Right? Lohit, are you there? Yeah, Lohit.
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
See, I will execute how it executes. First 123 not equals to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It comes here n equals to n by 10. What takes it value? N equals to n by 10.
Quotient value.
A quotient value it takes. Now nd plus plus is how much now? 1, right?
Ze- Yes,
Here
sir.
1. N equals to n by 10.
Zero.
Here n equals to n by 10. 12 it takes, right?
Yes,
First
yes,
12. It is 12. It is 1. And again it checks n. What is n value? 12 it is now. Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
12 is not equals to 0. Okay, 12 is not equals to 0. It comes here. Here n equals to n by 10 now. Now what is n value now?
1.
1. Very good. Now it is 1. nd plus plus now. nd plus plus. It comes here. nd plus plus. What is nd plus plus? 2 it is.
2, sir.
Okay. Again
Yes.
n not equals to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
N not equals to 0. Okay, now n equals to n by 10. 2 plus n is 1. 1 by 10. 1 by 10. What is the quotient
0.
value now? 0.
0.
Yes. Now it is 0. nd plus plus now.
3.
3. Good. N not equals to 0. What is n value now?
Loop will
0.
n
False,
value
right?
0,
It
sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
it comes outside. What is the nd value finally? 3 it is.
3. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
This is you understood, right? Sum of reminders. Sum of reminders is nothing but a sum of digits.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sum of reminders is nothing but a sum of digits. Sum equals to sum plus r. Sum equals to sum plus r. What is r? Reminder it is. Sum equals to sum plus r. It is a reminder. Okay, next question. I will give you guys. Next question. I will give you question. See guys. Accept and